In this lesson, we'll learn about keywords and how they operate within VBA statements. The most important thing when thinking of keywords is to understand that keywords are a separate set of words that VBA specifically set up to have operational value. If you try to create a value with these words, you'll find that you'll get the following error. Let's take a look at the following code. Due to our IDE settings, we can clearly differentiate our keywords due to the color indicators that we have assigned specifically to keywords. In this case, all of the keywords are colored pink. Notice how when the keywords appear within the code, they are simply operators for a tool, such as a loop, if statements, or being assigned to the Boolean variable true. Keywords themselves are quite simplistic, so we will only take a look at two specific examples before we move on to the next lesson. The first one that we want to take a look at is the public and private keywords. Take a look at these two subs. The only real difference between the two is how and when each one can be called. When we look at our macros window, we see that our sub test1 is visible. However, the test sub isn't. When you're using a private sub, it is only ever usable within the module. When you have a public sub, which by the way is the same as a normal sub, it is accessible in multiple modules and within the macros window. We would use this in order to save memory. The less that Excel has to think about and remember, the faster our code is going to run. The same goes for the second keyword we will look at, nothing. Think of the keyword nothing, essence of null. Not absolute zero, as zero is a value, but nothing at all. You'll find yourself looking at nothing when you're reaching the end of a subroutine, removing the values associated to a larger set of variables or references that you may find yourself using in another sub later on. Regardless of your reason, reassigning variables to nothing saves space and, by extension, of time. Just like the private sub, we are saving time by saving space and memory. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.